World War Tay. Twitter erupted yesterday when Taylor Swift snapped on Nicki Minaj for Nicki's general tweet about not being included in this year's MTV Video of the Year nomination. Apparently, MTV don't want none if you got buns, huh, Nicki? My name is Amber Smith, and welcome to I.O. So Nicki Minaj started it all by tweeting, "If your video celebrates women with very slim bodies, you will be nominated for Vid of the Year." This immediately caught T Swift's attention because she felt attacked and thought that Nicki was talking about her. So she tweeted back stating, "I've done nothing but love and support you. It's unlike you to pit women against each other. Maybe one of the men took your slot." Meow. This only got cattier as the two bantered back and forth all day long. But Minaj went further to explain that she was addressing the issue of a lack of recognition for minority artists with tweets such as these. "If I was a different kind of artist, Anaconda would be nominated for Best Choreo and Vid of the Year as well." Followed by, "You couldn't go on social media without seeing people doing the cover art, choreo, or outfits for Halloween. An impact like that and no VOTY nomination?" Finally, news broke today that Taylor took to Twitter and apologized to Nicki in a tweet that says, "I thought I was being called out. I missed the point. I misunderstood, then misspoke. I'm sorry, Nicki," at Nicki Minaj. And Nicki thankfully accepted her tweet and responded back, "That means so much, Taylor. Thank you," at Taylor Swift 13. So now we can all get back to our regular everyday lives now that we know that this Twitter battle is over. My name is Amber Smith, and thanks for watching I.O. For more trending stories from around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like and comment on everything. I'll be watching.